Boo was hanging out. Wait. Hey! The bed's a mess. Don't even. I'm not making it today. I'm too lazy. And I don't get making a bed anyway because no one comes in and like explores my house and goes, oh, look at that bed. Like no one's here. No one's here but me. And I wake up and then I do my stuff in the day and then what do? I go back into the bed. So I feel like there's other things in my day that I could be doing than like putting the sheets up to the top of the bed and tucking them in. Like, it seems a little pointless to me. PiinkSparkles justifying that she's a slob for 5 minutes straight. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying jellyfish. What? What? Jellyfish, girl. Okay, now there's lots of different seafood in the sea. Shrimp, crab, whatever. So jellyfish is just another one of those little beings in there. But it's one that's rare in my city where I am. I've never seen it. So we're gonna go pick some up right now from the market of Asia. It just opened in my city and I don't even know how I'm supposed to cook it. So I guess it's gonna be an experiment. Let's go. Bye bed. Quick outfit of the day. I have a Barbie necklace from Misguided. Everyone asked me where I get this. My shirt is from Guess and then I'm wearing some pink pants. I have a beautiful makeup look. Well, I think it's beautiful. I use the Natasha Denona palette and my lips are Kylie Angel Cake and some lip gloss over top of it. Anyway, let's go. Okay, we have to get gas first. Hello, service. Hello, can I do 60 premium, please?
60 premium?
Yes, thank you. Oh, he has a little baby. Oh, I thought babies just always cried. That baby's not crying. Well, I guess they have to take a break from crying, right? Oh, thanks. You're so kind. Thank you. What a nice man. Let's go. Let's go eat our fish. Okay, here we are. No? Are we looking at that? Cool, you have a security guard. Okay, here it is. So we have the actual jellyfish, which I'm kind of scared. And then the jellyfish flower. But where do I put it in? It seems like there's no container. Do I just put it in one of these? I'm not quite sure right now. I think I'm gonna get a teriyaki to go with it. Is that gonna be good? So I do want to say that just because your culture or what you eat regularly and that's normal for you doesn't mean that another place in another country in another culture, their food is disgusting. It might be surprising to you, it might be like whoa at the starting, but you should give everything a chance, right? That's why I wanted to try this, because to me it was like shocking to see that because I'm not used to that. My mom is on her lunch break. I don't know how to cook it. What am I supposed to do? Do you eat it raw? Why? Pulling over. My mom just phoned me back.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
I was wondering if you could let me know how to cook something.
What's that?
Jellyfish?
What?
Jellyfish?
I don't know what jellyfish is.
Like a jellyfish.
Why would you cook a jellyfish?
I don't know, I bought one. I think I'm just gonna put it in a pan and put some teriyaki sauce.
I don't know about that. You need to Google that.
Jellyfish recipe. All right, I have watched a few recipes. I feel like I'm good to go. I also bought some Every Burger, which are burger-shaped chocolate cookies. So we are super excited to try those. I'm putting this on my Snapchat. Go follow me, girl. It's blurry, don't follow me. It kind of tastes like a burger. Still good. Okay. We have this that's called the umbrella. See, I told you I watched some videos. Oh my god. I don't know why I'm looking at this to touch this. It feels so weird. It feels so weird. So I would say it has like the consistency to calamari. It feels like skin. Like it actually feels like a human body. So this is how like the jellyfish, this is him. Almost like like a condom, I'd say, without like being funny or exaggerating. Like that's really what it feels like a wet balloon. So this is really what it looks like. And then we got the flowers. These feel almost the exact same, like gelatinous noodles, like intestines almost. So this is the flowers. It doesn't have like a fishy scent to it. It almost smells like a box. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not off-putting. Hit the thumbs up if you guys think this is an interesting video, if it's something you are curious about and maybe want me to eat other things or try other things from different cultures and countries, because I'm all for it. I just hope that I don't disrespect the jellyfish just because I don't know how to make it. I'm just gonna go off of what people have done for recipes, so let's go. Boil some water, throw these in. Let's just do it how she did in the recipe. They're cooking up. It looks like calamari to me. It looks like I'm doing this right. I'm actually really excited. Then I have ice cold water here. So then I put them in the cold water. We're gonna let this sit in the cold water and we're gonna figure out what to do with the umbrella. Because I haven't seen anyone do anything with the umbrella, girl. Just chill out there. I already washed this one. Let's get some oil going here. Okay, so I'm gonna do this the same way I would like breading a chicken cutlet. Okay, we have flour, an egg, and then these tempura flakes. Drying them off. Okay, we're gonna hit them in the flour. Why am I saying him? Has anyone ever fried a jellyfish before? Well, I am right now in the egg. Oh my God. The more I'm playing with it with my hands, the more I can like smell the fishiness. Like it didn't smell like that before. Everything's falling. I needed a bigger plate, obviously. I'm not too good at this. I'm not trained in jellyfish. I don't think you're supposed to do this. This is not okay. Why did I do this? Chef PiinkSparkles coming at you with another episode of Chef PiinkSparkles. It's a good show, I promise. Okay, now we're just gonna put the umbrella in. Uh-oh. Too much oil. Abort, abort. Okay, we'll just sop up the oil. Let's turn it down. Back to the oil. Yum. Oh, this is not looking good. So most of the tempura flakes have fallen off, as you can see. It's not a good idea to do this. Oh, they've all fallen off. Okay. Wow, Samantha, you're really good at innovating jellyfish. You can't just treat everything like chicken. Oh, is it done? It's starting to smell. Oh, it's really not looking good. I shouldn't have done this. Oh, I shouldn't have done this. It honestly looked better before. Oh, I'm gonna throw up because it's like all soggy now and like all the tempura flakes are like soggy. Wonderful. All right, you camp out there for a little bit. All right, that's enough out of that. That does not look appetizing. This, however, looks promising. Well, the sun is really glaring. Ah! Okay, good, nothing fell out. Most people that I saw made like a cold jellyfish salad with this, so we're gonna make like a cold teriyaki salad with this. Now the teriyaki sauce that we bought, oh yum. Okay, let's put a little bit on. We don't wanna be like coating it too much. I'm not gonna lie, this actually looks amazing. Let's Gordon Ramsay this. It really shriveled up. I screwed up. This little plate was for that and the big, this is how Gordon Ramsay would have done it, okay? It actually smells really good. I messed up on that. No one cooked it like this and I was like, oh, why don't I cook it like that? Honestly, this looks so bad. Oh, you believe God is a woman. Bon appetit. Okay. Now that I'm sitting here in front of it, this looks horrid to me because I feel like I just did it the wrong way and I don't know if I'm gonna get sick while eating it because I didn't do it in a way that I think is proper. Maybe I did cook it all the way, but I'm really just nervous about that. Will I try it? Absolutely. This one looks a lot better. This looks like what I would get at a restaurant, okay? Here is what I am looking at. It is cold because That's what I saw in the recipes a lot of people were doing. It smells really good. I don't know. Crunch. Okay, and I'm like honestly giving this a chance. It like crunched and snapped in my mouth. Do you hear that? Oh my god! I don't like the flavor. And I'm not talking the teriyaki sauce, like they're like this, like almost like juices like squirt out when you bite that. Okay, let's do this like worm looking one. Okay, it has the texture of like connective tissue. Like when you're having like chicken or something like that, and you know chicken on the bone, and then there's like that little piece or pieces of on the bone, and you bite it and it's like it's, I don't know if that connective tissue, I don't know. That's what this exactly tastes like, and that I'm not okay with. So, how I talked about before, just because your culture or what you eat regularly and that's normal for you, doesn't mean that another place in another country in another culture, their food is disgusting. That is 100% true, but give it a chance. And if you don't like it, I don't like this, so it's disgusting to me, and I've given it a chance. Maybe if somebody who knows how to make this made it, maybe I would like it, but it's honestly, the texture of it is horrible. It's, oh my, oh, it's like pieces of like hard fat. No. No! We screwed up on this, guys. Oh, I can like hear it snapping. Like, come closer. Oh, I don't want to do this. I'm just scared I'm gonna get like sick off of this. I can't even pick it up, it's so tough. It like shriveled up, like I can't even, oh. Oh my god, I just put my tongue on it. It's really salty. No. Top 5 worst things I have tried. I hate sausage, and I would rather eat sausage than eat this. That's great. I'm not a fan, but if you are a fan, that's okay. Full props to you. There's things that I like that people don't like. I appreciate you guys for watching this. If there's anything else you want me to try, then let me know. I love you guys. Try something new today. I'm out. Bye, guys.